Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. In this session, we will be studying another 3 words. That's from here to there. Page number 16 of Al-Qaida Nuraniya. This slide is just a reminder for transliteration purposes. So the first word we have is kaidan, and it can be divided into 2 syllables. The first syllable we have is kaf fatha ya sakun kay. Kaf is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by ya, and ya has a sakun. Kaf fatha ya sakun kay. Kaf fatha ya sakun kay. Kaf fatha ya sakun kay. The second syllable we have is dal fathatain dan, and this alif is silent. Dal is a light letter, it has fathatain on top of it. دال فتحتين دن دال فتحتين دن دال فتحتين دن. When we combine these 2 syllables, we have كيدن كيدن كيدن. The next word we have is كيف, and it can be divided into 2 syllables. The first syllable we have is kaf fatha ya sakun kay. Kaf is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by ya, and ya has a sakun. Kaf fatha ya sakun kay. Kaf fatha ya sakun kay. Kaf fatha ya sakun kay. The second syllable we have is fa fatha fa. Fa is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, and it will be prolonged for 1 count. Fa fatha fa. Fa fatha fa. Fa fatha fa. So when we combine these 2 syllables, we have kayfa 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 kayfa. The next word we have is lawhin, and it can be divided into 2 syllables. The first syllable we have is lam fatha waw sakun law. Lam is a light letter, in this case it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by waw, and waw has a sakun. Lam fatha waw sakun law. Lam fatha waw sakun law. Lam fatha waw sakun law. The second syllable we have is ha kasratain hin. Ha is a light letter, and it has kasratain underneath. Ha kasratain hin. Ha kasratain hin. Ha kasratain hin. Combining these 2 syllables, we have lawhin lawhin lawhin. So the next few slides would be sounds only. Kaidan kaidan kaidan. Kayfa kayfa kayfa. لوح لوح لوح. So this is the end of this session. We will see you in next session inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.